What's up, guys, and welcome to Dancing with Tech. Today we're going to be talking about the Google Pixel 6 powerful processor. Samsung Z Fold 3 prices are still expensive, and the S Pen Pro. But first, don't forget to subscribe, hit notification bell, like, and leave a comment below. And of course, we're going to do the joke for today. And the joke is, why is Fat Tuesday only open on Tuesdays? Come on, got this? I'm bringing you in because it's too big for the rest of the week. Let's jump right into it, guys. The Google Pixel 6 is going to be a beast this year, and the phone that I'm most excited about. I remember having a Google Pixel when it first came out, and I really wasn't impressed. But now the sun rises, and the Pixel 6 Pro is making the comeback. Let's thank Google for being all the leakers to the punchline, just as all of the colors of the Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro models. Each model will have 3 different color variants. The Pixel 6 Pro will bring a triple camera array that includes a telephoto with FoxX optical zoom, while the regular Pixel 6 will bring the same cameras but no telephoto. Google has confirmed some key information regarding their upcoming flagship phone. According to the CEO of Google, in an interview, proudly said that they did some deep technology investment for the upcoming Pixel series. In other words, their custom Google Silicon will be in their upcoming Pixel 6 lineup. Their custom chip is called Google Tensor. Yeah, the Google Tensor. Google's custom chip claims it can process its most powerful AI and ML codes directly on the smartphone. You'll be able to see a transformation experience in speech recognition, camera security, and tons of features. Google's new Android 12 will also include highly improved performance and privacy. The second half of 2021 is about to get lit because Samsung's Unpacked event is on the horizon. There's a lot of information that I will be giving you guys, so just kick back and eat an apple pie. The Galaxy Buds 2 will bring an IPX2 certification with up to 20 hours of playtime with ANC, and this will be priced at 150 euros, according to a new report from Win Future. The Galaxy Watch 4 has some real-life images from 91 Mobile, which is showing off the new UI watch and 2 color variants. The watch looks okay, but nothing eye-blowing. Let's talk about the foldables. Evan Blass has leaked renders from the Galaxy Flip 3 from every possible angle, colors, you name it, we showed it all, so there's no surprise how it looks. Let's talk about the prices of the Z Flip 3 and the Z Fold 3. A leaker named Snoopy showed off the prices on both phones. The Z Flip 3 120 variant is going to be 1029 euros, and the 256 gig version will be 1109 euros. The Z Fold 3 will start off at 2009 euros for the 256 gig version, whereas a 512 will be 2099 euros. This isn't a 20% price cut that everyone was talking about, especially with the Z Fold 3. Let me know in the comments below how you feel about this, because I personally hope the phone does not stay at $2,000. Because the Z Fold 3 is coming out and will be completely compatible with the S Pen Pro. So spend your money wisely, people. The S Pen Pro specs are available, and this is Samsung's most advanced S Pen, and it can be used with the Z Fold 3 along with the other supported devices, including the Galaxy Note series, S21 Ultra, and the Note 10 series. It may even work with the Note 9, but don't hold your breath. Now, it charges by USB-C, and it can be attached magnetically and with a few cases on the back of the phone. The pricing could cost £70 in the UK. This makes perfect sense for Samsung to do this, since they are bringing the S Pen compatibility to more of their devices. Making the S Pen Pro is a good long-term investment in my opinion. The question for today is, are you more excited about the Google Pixel 6 Pro or Samsung's foldable phones? Let me know in the comments below. Me personally, I feel like I'm more excited about the Google Pixel 6 series because it's like a fresh breath of air. You know, we always see Samsung always on top, but now Google is like, yo, we want to get that #1 range. So it seems like Google wants to come strong. All right, guys, thanks for checking me out today. And guys, you want to see some more tech news? Go ahead and click on the little cards. And also, guys, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. And all you OG members and new subscribers, go ahead and like the video. Until next time, guys, I shall see you guys later.